Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your man, Travelage, and I am so stoked for this one. We're about to dive deep into the travel destinations you absolutely cannot miss in 2024. The world's opening back up, people are itching to explore. It's the perfect storm for an epic adventure, so let's jump right in, no time to waste. First up, we're going full nomad, straight into the heart of Central Asia. Kyrgyzstan, people. This place is like stepping into a postcard, but without all the tourists. We're talking towering mountains, crystal clear lakes, and rolling hills that just beg you to pitch a tent. You won't be dodging selfie sticks or fighting for a view. Instead, you'll be welcomed with open arms by the Kyrgyz people, known for their incredible hospitality. All right, next stop, we're switching gears completely. Get ready for some serious rhythm, flavor, and energy because we're heading to Colombia. Let me tell you, Colombia is bursting with life. We'll start in Medellin, a city full of vibrant street art, innovative architecture, and a nightlife that'll keep you moving till dawn. And if you're looking for those picture-perfect beaches, look no further than Tayrona National Park. Trust me, in Colombia, you don't just visit, you feel it. Chapter 3. Now, for those of you who want that European charm without breaking the bank, I got you covered. Get ready to fall in love with Slovenia. This small but mighty country is like a fairy tale come to life with stunning scenery that'll make your jaw drop. First stop, Lake Bled. Imagine a crystal clear lake with a tiny island in the middle, topped with a church steeple that seems to touch the sky. Then we're venturing into the Julian Alps, a hiker's paradise. Slovenia, my friends, is a hidden gem just waiting to be discovered. Chapter 4. All right, buckle up, adventure junkies, because our final destination is not for the faint of heart. We're heading to New Zealand, the land of the long white cloud, where the landscapes are epic and the thrills are off the charts. We'll start in Milford Sound, a place where towering cliffs rise out of the ocean like something out of Jurassic Park. Next up, we're going geothermal in Rotorua. Imagine bubbling mud pools, geysers shooting hot water into the air, and a smell that's, well, let's just say it's unique. Hike through ancient forests, kayak in pristine waters, camp under a sky full of stars. This is where you come to breathe, to recharge, to find yourself. And don't even get me started on the Kiwis. The people are some of the friendliest and most welcoming you'll ever meet. So, there you have it, my top picks for unforgettable trips in 2024. Whether you're looking for adventure, culture, relaxation, or a little bit of everything, these destinations are sure to blow your mind. Remember, travel is about more than just checking off a list. It's about pushing your boundaries, opening your mind, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button for more travel inspiration.